How to use a Joker Visa card on PS5. To use a Joker Visa prepaid card on your PS5, follow these steps. Register your Joker card. Visit jokercard.ca and register your card by providing your name, address, phone number, and email. This step is essential for online purchases, as merchants often require billing information verification. Add the card to PS5 payment methods. On your PS5, navigate to Settings greater than Users and Accounts greater than Account, greater than Payment and Subscriptions, greater than Payment Methods, greater than Add a credit debit card. Enter your Joker card details, including the registered billing address. Make a purchase. Use the Joker card to purchase games or add funds to your wallet. Note that some users have reported issues using prepaid cards for subscriptions, like PlayStation Plus. Purchase a PlayStation gift card. If other methods fail, use your Joker card to buy a PlayStation gift card from a retailer and redeem it on your PS5. That's it. Thanks for watching.